Welcome to Listen and Speak Daily English, the podcast designed to help you master everyday English and build your confidence in speaking. I'm your host, Anna, and I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you. Our episode features a wonderful man named Mark, who has a remarkable story to tell about mastering English and finding the confidence to express himself. So, let's dive right in. Today, we meet Mark, a vibrant individual who hails from a small town but has dreamt of making it big on a global stage. Like many, Mark faced challenges with speaking English confidently. Join us as we explore his journey of overcoming fears, embracing mistakes, and ultimately finding his voice.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for having me on your podcast, Anna. It's an absolute pleasure. I remember the first time I stepped into an English-speaking environment. My palms were sweaty, my heart raced, and I felt like all eyes were on me. My thoughts were jumbled, and I hesitated before even opening my mouth. It was daunting.
It's perfectly normal to feel that way, Mark. Can you tell us what prompted you to want to improve your English skills?
Absolutely. I had a dream of traveling and working in an international company. I realized that to seize those opportunities, I needed to communicate effectively. So, I decided to take matters into my own hands.
That's inspiring. What were your initial steps towards improving your confidence in speaking English?
My journey started with embracing vulnerability. I would watch English movies and repeat dialogues out loud, mimicking the accents and intonations. I made a habit of talking to myself in the mirror. It felt silly at first, but it gradually helped me get comfortable with speaking.
That's a great strategy. Practicing in a low-pressure environment can definitely boost confidence. Were there any specific moments that marked a turning point for you?
Yes. One day, I gathered the courage to join a local English-speaking club. I will never forget the first time I spoke up in front of everyone. My voice cracked and I stumbled over some words, but I kept going. The group was supportive and their encouragement was pivotal. I realized that making mistakes is part of the learning journey.
Absolutely. Making mistakes is a key aspect of language learning. What advice would you give to someone who feels hesitant about speaking English?
Firstly, remember that everyone starts somewhere. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as each one is a stepping stone to progress. Surround yourself with supportive individuals and practice as much as you can. And most importantly, have fun. Find topics that interest you and engage in conversations about them.
Wise words, Mark. Confidence truly plays a pivotal role in mastering a language. As we wrap up, do you have any final thoughts for our listeners?
I encourage everyone to just start speaking, regardless of your current level. Every word brings you closer to fluency, and remember that your journey is unique, so embrace it with all its ups and downs.
Thank you for sharing your wonderful insights, Mark. Your story is a gentle reminder that confidence in speaking English is not about perfection. It's about connection. In this episode, thank you, dear listeners, if you enjoyed our conversation and found value in Mark's journey, please subscribe, leave us a review, and share this episode with anyone looking to boost their confidence in English speaking. Join us next time as we dive into more tips and stories to help you communicate effectively and confidently in English. Until then, keep listening and keep speaking.